Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some DIY kawaii room decor hacks and things, and it's going to be really fun and exciting, so please remember to subscribe and let's get started! Yeah! So for my first little DIY slash hack, I went ahead and had this chandelier from the Kawaii company Swimmer. I don't think they're in business anymore, but I still had it, and I put some crystals I got from Joann's on it. None of this is sponsored, by the way. And it came out to be this little kawaii chandelier without the lights. So yeah. And if you guys didn't see from my last video, I did finish this shelf, my last decor hacks video. Isn't it pretty? Look. It has all my cassettes in it now. Should I do a cassette collection? Please let me know in the comments below. Another fun and kawaii DIY hack slash room decor is to put crystals all over the place. Like I have some on this shelf that I painted. And I have one over here and over here. So I'm going to show you guys how I painted this DIY picture frame. I got it at the flea market. And I'm going to get some paints and some paintbrushes and get started. Yeah. So I went ahead and cleaned up the picture frame with some water on a little rag and got it all nice and clean, as it did come from the flea market. So yeah. So then I went ahead and just started to paint the picture frame. Just filled in all the crevices with the pink craft paint and made it look really pretty. And yeah, for the craft paint I mixed a pink and a white to make a pretty pinky white shade. You know, a pastel pink, you could say. And yeah, it looks really pretty and kawaii and Victorian. So I don't know how many times I'm gonna say so yeah, but so yeah. And then the next day, I went ahead and applied a second coat of pink paint to the front and made it look really pretty. And I painted the back as well. Just used the same mixture of pink and white craft paints and painted it all pink and stuff. Yep. And while I was working on my picture frame, I was also working on my junk journal. I'd painted these pages to decorate it. They're gonna look really cool. If you guys would like to see a junk journal tour or whatever, flip through, please let me know in the comments down below. Yeah! Now I've yet to decide where to put this picture frame. Maybe around Roger? Nah. Maybe around Pasheen's? Nah. I was thinking up there actually in a pretty photo. That would be cool. Anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and comment and like. And I will see you all in my next video. And until then, stay kawaii. I love you guys. And yeah. I hope everybody's doing good with back to school and stuff. Yeah, let's hope. And I will see you all later. Love you guys. Bye.